Y'all, this is Johnny Gabriel, one of my favorite cousins. She's got a fabulous bakery in Marietta, Georgia called Gabriel's Desserts. Johnny and I are reconnecting, and I'm so excited. Our apple cranberry stuffing, y'all. Come on down here.
Wait.
What?
This is how I remember you.
Oh my goodness. Johnny, I have never seen this picture.
It's a cute
That was one of my favorite dresses. I cannot believe this. Johnny, thank you.
Isn't that cute?
This is my Aunt Trina. Trina was 3 years older than me. This is me in the middle, the one ready. And this is Johnny right over here. Oh, I so love it. It was a wonderful time, and I miss those days. But you know what? I'm glad we got the memories.
Absolutely.
If you would dice up the red bell pepper and the onion and the celery, I'll probably peel the apple and chop it. But right now, what I want to do is I want to take some dried cranberries that I've got. All right, so I'm going to use 1 cup of dried cranberries. And I'm gonna cover them with 2 cups of chicken broth. The chicken broth is gonna rehydrate them. We're gonna melt our butter in our skillet. We're gonna add our bell pepper, our celery, and our onion. Y'all, one day I got this package in the mail, and it was from Johnny. And I opened it, and it was a faux mink apron. You know, I think this is supposed to be like a kind of a naughty apron. I think you're supposed to wear it naked.
I love these Granny Smith apples.
I do too. So I'm having such a good time being with you.
Thank you. I'm loving it.
Even though you don't get to see certain family members, you never stop loving them just because you don't get to see them.
That's true.
Yes, we're adding more memories right now as we speak.
Absolutely, I'm loving it.
It's Thanksgiving, my favorite holiday of the year, and you know why that is?
Why is that?
Because you don't have to worry about that gift buying.
Well, you know what? That's true.
I added 1 can of cream of celery soup to my sauteed vegetables. Now I'm gonna just dump in my cranberries and chicken stock. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon goes in, and Johnny has beat our 3 eggs with some salt and pepper. Our stuffing is gonna be a Hawaiian bread that we have just bought from the deli. We cubed it up and we toasted it off. And this is gonna be just a wee little bit sweet. So we're just gonna dump these, Johnny. And then we're gonna add those eggs, and those eggs are gonna give it like a custardy texture. And I feel like everybody really might like this if they're looking for a little bit of change
The
in their
cranberries,
stuffing.
just wonderful. Just speak of Thanksgiving.
Yes.
All right.
Put those eggs over in there. Okie doke. We're gonna bake this off in, a 13 by 9 by 2 pan. And I'm gonna spray this so it won't stick so badly around the edges. I want it to come out nicely. So we're just gonna pour that over in there, y'all. And we're gonna bake this for about 30-40 minutes at 350 degrees.
Look at those cranberries.
Aren't they pretty?
And the red pepper.
Ooh, yeah.
Just talk about fall.
Yes. Here, let me hold that bowl
All right,
for
thank
you.
you.
So
Thank you.
that bowl's as big as you are, girl.
All right. This is our stuffing, apples and cranberries. This is going to be good.
Yes, it's gonna be so good. A little bite of stuffing, a little bite of turkey. I got a little taste, y'all, of everything on that fork. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.